Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to turn it on or off. To turn the controller on, take a look at the bottom of it. Right here we've got this switch. Firstly select preferred mode between Bluetooth and dongle, and it's on. To turn it off, select middle position. If you want to wake the controller up, press home button. When the battery is below 15%, the RGB strips will flash red. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.